What is the future continuous tense? The future continuous tense is a verb tense that is used to describe an action that will be happening in the future, but it will be happening over a period of time. It is often used to talk about plans, arrangements, or expectations. How is the future continuous tense formed? The future continuous tense is formed by using the auxiliary verb will plus the verb be plus the present participle of the verb. The present participle is formed by adding the ing ending to the verb. For example, I will be working tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. She will be studying for the exam all day. They will be playing soccer in the afternoon. When do we use the future continuous tense? The future continuous tense is used in the following situations. To describe an action that will be happening in the future, but it will be happening over a period of time. To talk about plans, arrangements, or expectations. To describe an action that will be interrupted by another action in the future. To describe an action that will be happening at the same time as another action in the future. Here are some examples. I will be working tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Plan. She will be studying for the exam all day. Expectation. The train will be arriving at 10 a.m., so I will be leaving at 9:30 a.m. Interruption. The children will be playing in the park while I will be cooking dinner. Simultaneous action. How is the future continuous tense different from the future simple tense? The future continuous tense and the future simple tense are both used to describe actions that will happen in the future. However, the future continuous tense is used to describe actions that will be happening over a period of time, while the future simple tense is used to describe actions that will happen at a specific point in time. For example, I will be working tomorrow. Future continuous tense. This means that I will be working for a period of time tomorrow. I will work tomorrow. Future simple tense. This means that I will start working and finish working tomorrow. Common mistakes to avoid. Some common mistakes to avoid when using the future continuous tense include using the future simple tense instead of the future continuous tense. Forgetting to add the ing ending to the verb. Using the future continuous tense to describe an action that will happen in a single moment. Tips for using the future continuous tense. Here are some tips for using the future continuous tense correctly. Think about the time frame of the action. If the action will be happening over a period of time, use the future continuous tense. If the action will happen at a specific point in time, use the future simple tense. Pay attention to the context of the sentence. The future continuous tense is often used in formal speech and writing. Be aware of the common mistakes that people make with the future continuous tense. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching this English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. To continue your English learning journey, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. You can also like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you again for watching.